May 29th, 2016. Going to attempt to clean the outside air conditioner coils. You can see quite a bit of dirt and grime built up through the years. First thing you want to do is disconnect the power. Here's the fuse box. And we're going to pull this guy out right here. Close that again because it's going to get a little wet out here. We're gonna unscrew these screws on top, and it should give me access to the inside. Here's a screw. There's a screw. And then I'm going to spray on this coil cleaner, and then we're going to hose it out over here with the big hose. So we'll see what happens. Then I'm going to lift this up on top and spray from the inside out. Just put the screws back in from where you took them out earlier. You can see the coils are noticeably cleaner from when we first started. Not perfect, but certainly more efficient. Make sure you slide your fuse back in. There we go.